Hello students, I am Sanjay Sharkar, your sport teacher. Today we are going to learn the long jump. Okay, long jump is an individual track and field event. A athlete has to cover a distance by running, and after that he have to take off with a specified place, and after that he has to flat his body, and after that he has to make a landing. Through the takeoff point to the landing point, it will be measured. Okay, it will be the measuring score. Like here is the takeoff board. This one takeoff board from this point and the landing point. It will be measured. It will be his or her the score. Okay. Now we will discuss about the measurement of the pitch. Okay, this is a runway. Its length is 45 to 50 meter distance. Okay, and here is one takeoff board. The measurement of takeoff board is 90 to 100 meter 100 mm 90 to 100 mm in width, and the length is 1.22 meter. Means from here to here, this distance is 1.22 meter. Okay, and the length of runway is 45 to 50 meter in length, and the width is wide is 1.22 meter. 1.22 meter. Now the takeoff board is placed 1 meter away from the landing pit. This is landing area. Okay, from here to here, this is a landing area. Okay, from the landing pit, the takeoff distance is 1 meter. From here to here, the distance is 1 meter. Okay, then the measurement of pit. Pit means landing area. Okay, in wide 2.75 meter is width, and the length of the pit is 9 meter. 9 meter in length and wide is 2.75 meter. Okay. In this event, one athlete have to cover this runway area with the maximum speed, and after that in the takeoff board he has to flight his body. He have to take off with his strong leg, and after that he have to cover the distance with the air, through air, and have to cover the maximum distance. After that he will land. Okay, so the landing point and the takeoff point, this distance will be measured by the tape. Okay, and it will be his or her score. Now next we will come to the point of rules of long jump. Okay, the takeoff board, the rules of long jump. At first the athlete have to be run in this way, and after that he will take off. Okay, from this takeoff board, and if his or her leg is cut with the takeoff board, then it will be disqualified. Okay, and an athlete have to be covered the maximum distance from takeoff board to landing area. Okay, the maximum distance covered by the athlete, it will be measured, and if there is any foul, like one candidate is cutting the line in takeoff board, then it will be make a foul and another chance he will give. Okay, so in this event a number of chance will be given to the athlete. Okay, the best performance in during the attempt, it will be scored. If there is any tie, means the both candidate or three candidates is making the same score, then the second best performance it will be measured for their score. Okay. Next is history of the long jump. Long jump was happened from the ancient period. It was included in ancient Olympic. So it was in pentathlon sports, like five, consisting of 5 events like sprint, discus, throwing, long jump, and the wrestling. So long jump is practicing from the ancient period. Okay. Now we will come to the next point, basic equipment. At first we have to need a clean surface area. Okay, and then we have to make a pit with the bricks. The border of the pit will be made by bricks. Okay, or some other stone. It may be concrete. Okay, then we have to fill here the sand. Sand will be there. Okay, and one take-off board is required. This take-off board, it will be placed here. Okay, and the measuring tape, lime powder, whistle, okay, etc. We have to need the conducting of long jump event. Next is how to take a long jump. At first we will discuss the hitch kick or cyclic. This is hitch kick method, means a athlete covered the runway, and after he will push with his strong leg on the takeoff board, and after that he have to make a flight, and during the flight he will make a cyclic movement with the leg. Okay, and after that he will land in a landing pit. Okay, so first is approach. Approach means while we are conducting the long jump, at first we have to make a run. This running portion towards the takeoff board, it is called the approach. Means when we are going to take a long jump, at first we have to make a run. We have to give a speed to our body. That is called the approach. So from the starting point to takeoff board, this portion is called the approach. And after that, in takeoff board, when we are pushing with our strong leg towards the air, that is called takeoff. And we are making a takeoff with our strong leg, and we push to the air. We push to the air. We have to push our body to the air, and after that the flight is there. Means this portion, when our body is in the air, it will be the flight. Okay, and then the last point is landing. This one, the landing area. So landing area, you have to try the maximum distance covered. Okay, and we have to try not to touch the backward point, like when we are landing to the long jump pit, and after that we are taking back our hand. That will be the less measurement, because suppose I am landing here with the takeoff and land here, and after that I am touching my hand with the backward point, then it will be measured from the takeoff board. Means our performance will be decreased. So always we have to try, after landing we have to move the forward. Okay, after landing we have to move forward. This is the actual process of the long jump. At first the running will be there in runway area, and after that we have to take off with our strong leg, and we have to push our body upward in the air, and after that we have to make a cyclic movement, like while we are riding cycle, like that we have to make a cyclic movement. After that the landing is there, and after landing we have to move forward, not backward. Okay, we have to go forward. Then our measuring point will be here to takeoff board, and the 0 point of tape 0 point of tape will be placed here, and after that we have to measure the distance covered by the candidate or athlete. Okay. So, student, this is the little information about the long jump. We will make a ground video another day. So, till bye bye.